Namaskara, my divine family, and welcome to Panchaport, a weekly reading which will help you define and navigate through this week in 5 areas of your life: spirituality, finance, business and work, your personal relationships, and your personal health. Hi, I'm Shweta, and I'm a Mokshpath trainer and expert. And today, I bring to you this beautiful program created by the eternal learners of transcending beliefs.
Hello, Divine Family. I salute the divinity in you. I am Rashmi Periwal from Kolkata. The energies of the week 16th to the 22nd September 24 for health are really very positive. It is the plane of creation. It is the oldest energy of creation known as the desire. You have to be in alignment with your action and desire. Let go of your ego. Connect with the root cause of your desire. Identify people who are with you genuinely or are fake representatives in life. Is your ego a hurdle in the entire process of creation? Allow a change in life in the process of creation. Never try to control anything coming around, as everything happens for good. Creation comes only after movement and transformation. Have a creative week ahead. Thank you.
Namaste Divine Souls, this is Alpa with you in Punch Portal program for the period of 16th September to 22nd September 2024. Let us see what Mokshpath board has to say regarding relationship this week. Building strong relationships requires careful thoughts and actions. Knowledge is essential, but how you apply that knowledge in your relationship is even more crucial. It is important to act with skills and sensitivity, as your actions significantly impact your relationships. There may come a time when you need to let go of relationship that no longer serves your well-being. Remember, just as destructions can pave the way for new constructions, letting go can also make room for new growth. It is also essential to set aside your ego when trying to bring harmony into your relationships. Maintaining purity and sincerity in your relationship is vital. Be mindful of your feelings towards your spouse, family and friends, and don't just focus on your own needs. Think about the people in your life and consider their perspectives. Take a broader view and work towards the greater good. When it comes to dealing with your children, strive to maintain friendly relationships and understand their viewpoint. Balancing parental guidance with empathy can help you to build stronger connection with them. Welcome new relationship with an open mind. Take the time to understand others and proceed with care. Always remember that relationships are two-way street and nurturing them requires efforts. Understanding and willingness to grow together is important. Have a great week ahead. Thank you.
We're now halfway through this week's weekly reading. And before we move on, let me tell you one little secret about Mokshpath. If you've ever wished for a friend or a guide in your life who will always guide you on the right track to success, prosperity, spirituality and growth, then Mokshpath will be that friend for you. Now, let's move ahead and watch the rest of the reading.
Namaste. My name is Aparajita, your Mokshpath reader and trainer. Week 3 of September, Spirituality. This week highlights the revitalization of all our senses, especially the sense of smell. As you know, fragrance is connected to Mother Earth, and the key message is we need to move beyond the perception of all our senses, move beyond our likes and dislikes, and move beyond our limitations. If we really want to spiritually go, we should watch out for overindulgence in sense of smell, because too much of indulgence in sense of smell leads to lot of attachment to the material world. And the guidance for actual spiritual growth in this week is to just let go and remain connected with Mother Earth so that we contribute towards our holistic well-being and spiritual growth. Thank you.
Namaste, Divine Souls. This is Alpa with you in Punch Portal program for the period of 16th September to 22nd September 2024. Let's see what Moksha Path Board is designed for you in business and profession this week. The Moksha Path Board signals that during this period, it is important to balance your business and professional life. Whether you are running a business or working in a profession, it is crucial to stay focused and not to neglect your work responsibilities. However, don't just rely on logic and analytical thinking. Also, listen to your heart and intuitions, using both the sides of your brain, the left side for logical decisions making and the right side for the creativity and intuitions can give you a significant advantage. This balanced approach helps you to make better, wiser decisions, enabling you to work more efficiently and achieve your business and professional goals. It will also aid in managing stress and maintaining emotional stability, guiding you in knowing when to hold on or let go, or when to speak up or stay silent, and when to pursue or step back from the opportunities. By leveraging both the creativity and logic, you can navigate business deals, meet monthly target, and make sound professional choices. This is the perfect time to seize opportunities while maintaining a sense of balance in your business and profession. Thank you. Have a great week ahead.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, नमस्ते। मेरा नाम मेनका है। मैं मुंबई महाराष्ट्र से हूँ। मैं एक न्यूमरोलॉजिस्ट और मोक्ष पथ बोर्ड रीडर हूँ। आज हम देखेंगे मोक्ष पथ बोर्ड रीडिंग फॉर फाइनेंस फॉर द 3rd वीक ऑफ सितंबर, यानी 16 सितंबर से 22 सितंबर 2024 तक। यह वीक फाइनेंस के बारे में एक अच्छा फ्रेग्रेंस लेके आ रहा है। यह सप्ताह हमें जानना पड़ेगा कि हमारे फाइनेंस के लिए क्या अच्छा है, क्या अच्छा नहीं है। हमें उस खुशबू को जानना पड़ेगा जो हमारे फाइनेंस को ब्लॉक कर रही है। जब हम उस ब्लॉकिंग को समझकर निकाल देंगे या उससे बाहर निकलेंगे तो हमें प्यूरिफाई महसूस होगा और हमारा फाइनेंस बढ़ेगा। हमारे ऑफिस में या घर में हमें कपूर की खुशबू रखनी चाहिए। अच्छे सेंटेड फ्लावर हमारी बालकनी में लगाने चाहिए। सेंटेड कैंडल घर में लगानी चाहिए। अच्छी फ्रेग्रेंस से हमारा मन खुश रहेगा और उसका फायदा फाइनेंस में जरूर दिखाई देगा। जैसे फूल हमें खुशबू देते हैं, उसी तरह से हमें भी दूसरों को मदद करनी चाहिए। हमारी मदद से दूसरों को जीवन में खुशबू आएगी और अपने आशीर्वाद से हमें फाइनेंस में फायदा होगा। आपको जो खुशबू पसंद है उससे कनेक्ट कीजिए। इससे आपको शांति महसूस होगी, आपका मन शांत रहेगा, तो आपको फाइनेंस में इम्प्रूव करने के लिए नए नए आइडिया आएंगे। धन्यवाद।
That is all for this week, and I hope that this week's reading helps you create a week full of excitement, success, and growth. For more such videos and information, follow and subscribe our channel. And if you have a problem in your life, don't forget to DM us. I will definitely wait for your query and revert back to you. Thank you, and see you all next week once again.